Good morning, Green Acres! Today is Tuesday. It is October the 6th, and it is a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Hey, we've got game day presented by Leadership tomorrow. We got that to look forward to. It should be a lot of fun. Come participate in the Kahoot school-wide. This is happening in between our AM and PM classes. This Friday is our chance to wear pink for cancer awareness, and you can also earn some spirit points. So come and take part in that as well. Don't forget that tomorrow is Wednesday. We have ourselves RTI, so make sure that you get yourself to your advisory class in order to take part in that. Ms. Link is still looking for some more boys for the musical. Please contact Ms. Link if you are interested. And our thought for this week about ambition. Ambition is the first step to success. The second step is action. So let's make sure that we set ourselves up for success by first coming up with our goal and then making something of it. That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.